Victoria, Texas is a growing city about 100 miles to the south of Austin. It's a main thoroughfare that connects Texans to the coast.
Our standard population is about 65,000, but during the day that doubles.
Which is trouble for Victoria when mobility came to a halt after Hurricane Harvey.
You could hear the trees snapping, the telephone poles popping, you could hear transformers blowing.
The majority of the city's signals were damaged. Charmel Garrett is Victoria's city manager.
First few days we were in a sprint mode when you're doing response, but we're in a marathon now.
She says mobility is key to their road to recovery.
The visors, they need 6 visors.
And we knew that that was going to be a very critical issue for us on moving traffic.
This signal just needs power and it's ready to go.
You know, the danger of accidents and, possibly fatalities with speed. And I was looking for large cities that were close by that possibly had the resources to spare for a little while.
In response to Victoria's call for help, the Austin Transportation Department
But I'm thinking those 2 pallets in that will fit right here.
mobilized technician crews
Help Mario load up. We're going to go to the front.
who packed supplies, signals, and signs.
Oh my goodness, it's kind of like the cavalry came in to help us out.
Just a great feeling to know that we had help coming.
I hope y'all know y'all are awesome.
Thank you.
The assistance was welcomed.
We trying to, we can only do what we can do.
Out of destruction came camaraderie.
Yeah, all the people have been great. They kind of know we're limited at what we can do.
Technicians exchanged best practices, learning from each other.
You think it's just hanging down? Okay. Just in the last 6-7 days that they've been here, we've been able to move across the city and get all the main thoroughfares going again. And, I wish we could keep them a lot longer, but, we know y'all got to keep Austin running. So.
Victoria's recovery now has a few less roadblocks and a few more green lights.